Hi, and welcome back to NucLab with Lisa Ann, the place you come to DIY yourself to nuke safety. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to DIY a filter to filter the radiation particles from your water. This is where the nuke fact of the day comes in. Boiling the water does not remove the radiation from the water. What you need are usually simple items from around the house. Bonus points if you have a carbon filter or coffee grounds in your home. First, you will need to cut the bottom of the bottle. Then get your hammer and nails and make the holes to help the water drain out. The sponge will help with any mist particles and dirt. Be sure to use some porous cloth in between the layers. The porous cloth helps with finer particles as well as any dirt from the items you have used for filtering. You need to be able to filter the water through multiple layers to make it as efficient as possible. And there you have it, your own water filter. This can be done with other items such as a can and in a very short amount of time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DIY your way to safety.